Congratulations! Your group has successfully overthrown the present government of a small country. You are now in control of the government and must devise a plan to stay in power and keep control of the country. However, you have a limited budget and may only select the 10 most important items as necessities for the country to succeed. It is your group's job to persuade the rest of the world that your country is a wonderful place to live.
In order to produce a well-constructed Weebly website, you must include a variety of web pages. Follow these simple steps to create web pages for your newly created Weebly website. To create a page, you must click on the Pages tab in the top toolbar. This will show you to the left all of the different pages that you can create for your website. In order to add a new page, you must click the plus sign. Clicking the plus sign will give you different page options. We will simply use the standard page because this will give you a blank slate to create your page. You can then name your page. For this example, I will simply name mine Item 1. Click Done in order to start building your page. Once you click Build in the top toolbar, you will see a list of different elements along the left-hand side. You can scroll up and down to see all the different elements that you can add to your page. Once you find an element that you would like to add, click and drag it to where you would like to on the page and begin to design your own web page. Congratulations! You can now design your own web page using Weebly.
We will be utilizing 4 team roles in each group. Role number 1 is the informative writer. The informative writer develops the information for each of the 10 necessity pages. Role number 2 is the persuasive writer. The persuasive writer finds ways to attract people to the country using logos, pathos, and ethos. The writers will tag team the necessity pages together. Role number 3 is the creative developer. The creative developer will gather pictures to use, write a national anthem, design a flag, and create a country motto to include on the website. Role number 4 is the design editor. The design editor is in charge of the layout for each web page. It is important to support each other in these roles in order to discuss ideas and work together.
As you work through completing your website, it is important to understand what an ism is. An ism is a distinctive practice, system, or philosophy. You are persuading your website viewers to join your new society. So you will need to decide whether your society is based on individualism or collectivism. Now you may be thinking, Mr. Baker, what are those again? Individualism focuses on each individual's identity and action. It is understanding freedom of thought and choice on a person-by-person basis. Our author, Ayn Rand, believed that individualism is the way a society should be run. On the other hand, collectivism focuses on the group or population as a whole. Simply put, it is the thought of one size fits all. While there are advantages and disadvantages for both ideologies, your group must identify and explain the ideology that your new society is based upon.
As we work on creating our website over the next 4 weeks, it is important to focus on the persuasive techniques, logos, pathos, and ethos. This is important for all roles as you will be competing against your classmates to create the ultimate country that grows its population the most. At the end of the 4 weeks, we will do a digital gallery walk of each website to vote on which country sounds the most attractive in each class.